Asterisk yo, what's up guys, it's still your boy Amon White. Today I'm revealing the top secrets for mastering cold calls and closing big ticket sales. If you've been struggling with rejections, not knowing what to say, or just feeling nervous on calls, this video will change everything. I'm about to give you the exact strategy top closers use to turn cold calls into high-paying clients. Let's go. 1. The #1 cold calling mindset shift asterisk. Most people fail at cold calling because they sound desperate or too salesy. Secret #1, stop sounding like a salesperson. Instead of trying to sell, think of yourself as a problem solver. Example, instead of saying, "Hi, I'd like to sell you digital marketing services." Say, "Hey, name, quick question, are you currently happy with the number of leads and sales your business is bringing in?" Why this works? You sound like a real person, not a telemarketer. You make them think about their problem. You start a conversation instead of pushing a sale. 1. The perfect cold call structure. Here's the exact structure for a winning cold call. 1. The opener. First 10 seconds matter. "Hey, name, this is your name from your company. I know you're busy, so I'll keep this super quick. Do you have a minute?" 2. The hook. Make them care. "I help businesses like yours bring in X more lead sales every month without relying only on word of mouth. Let me ask, are you happy with your current results?" 3. The value pitch, clear and simple. "We recently helped similar business get X% more clients using a proven system. If I could show you how to get similar results, would you be open to a quick 15-minute chat?" Why this works? You get straight to the point. You focus on their pain point. You offer value instead of just selling. 1. The secret to handling objections like a pro. Secret #2, objections are a buying signal. If they push back, it doesn't mean they're not interested, it means they need more clarity. Common objections and how to handle them. "I'm not interested." "I totally understand, just curious, have you tried digital marketing before and didn't see results, or are you just not focusing on it right now?" "I don't have the budget." That makes sense. Many of our clients felt the same way before they started. What if I could show you how to make back your investment 3x faster? Would that be worth a quick chat? "I need to think about it." Absolutely. How about I send you a free strategy breakdown, and we can follow up later, sound good? Why this works? You don't sound pushy. You stay in control of the conversation. You turn objections into opportunities. 1. Closing the deal with confidence. Secret #3, always lead with a call to action. Your goal isn't to sell on the call, it's to book the next step. How to close the call. Let's set up a quick strategy call where I'll walk you through exactly how this works. Does daytime work for you? I put together a free business audit. Can I send it over and walk you through it? Closing hack. If they're still unsure, ask, "What's stopping you from taking the next step?" Why this works? It forces them to tell you their real concern. You can address their hesitation right there. You stay in control and keep the deal moving. Asterisk. And that's how you master cold calling and close big deals. Remember these 3 secrets. Sound like a problem solver, not a salesperson. Follow the perfect cold call structure. Handle objections like a pro and always lead with a CTA. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below on which secret helped you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fire content. Catch you in the next one. Peace.